jdevinci here with the world's easiest wig install. This hair is from Luvmehair, one of my favorite hair companies out there. This is their closure wig with the most meltiest lace. Let me just zoom in real quick because you guys, the lace that I cut, it stops right here. Do you see the lace? I mean, I don't. I kept this wig beginner friendly, no glue, no nothing. It's just on there. Why do I literally always do that and mess up my hair. Now, this is a bob. If you guys are just looking for the easiest throw in and go wig, this is it. This is straight out of the package, a little fluffy duffy, and we are here. I hope you guys enjoy this super easy, when I say super easy and very beginner friendly wig install. I do hope that you guys enjoy it. A ton of you guys have been asking me to keep the wig installs a little more beginner friendly, like even more beginner friendly than I thought that I was keeping it. This is straight out of the package. No bleaching knots, no plucking hair, and I left on a bunch of lace. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I can't keep my hands out of this hair. Like, it's so soft. Okay, let's get into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
This is going to be a completely glueless, beginner-friendly wig install. This is a closure wig, a super curly, super short closure wig, so I'm super excited about that. This is how the package comes presented, okay? Your hair does come in a Luvmehair dust bag. You do get some lashes, pop socket, a comb, and some fingernail. It also has this hair care card, and this is how this tells you all about your hair specs, how to care for your wig, and or how to make a return on your wig in case you need to do so. Let's just hop straight into it. As some of you guys may know, I do have a short haircut. I'm gonna make this completely glueless, easy, everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. I don't even have a mirror anywhere around. I'm gonna just be using my little display. So wish me all the luck in the world. And I did not wash it. I did not bleach the knots nor pluck the hairline, because some women say that when they get their hair, it doesn't look like how my hair looks. And I just want you guys to know I normally customize the wigs. I normally bleach the knots and I normally pluck the hairline. So that might be the reason why your hair doesn't look like my hair. So taking the wig out of the package, it does have a little hair net on top. So this is the curl pattern straight out of the package. Super pretty, as you guys can see. It is actually looks like a melty, like you can't see, okay? Does come with a few combs and adjustable strap. It's beautiful. Look at the curls, they're really pretty. They're so pretty. Okay, so straight out of the package, it feels nice and secure, okay? Like it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. And this is a short closure, like it's not like a 6x6, it might be like a 4x4 type of closure, okay? The wig feels nice and snug. So just straight out of the package, look at the lace. The lace is really pretty. So far, so good. I think that this is like their HD melted lace, because as I zoom in, the lace is giving really melted, okay? And I didn't bleach or anything. I am going to briefly cut off some of the lace. Actually, not too much. So I'm actually leaving a bit of lace on so you guys can see. And I'm cutting this off with you guys. Okay, as you guys can see, maybe you can't, but look at how much lace I left on. I left on a bunch of lace, okay? A bunch. We're gonna take our fingers and just begin finger combing the hair. I wanna leave it as beginner friendly as possible. As you guys can see, you cannot see that lace. That lace is super melted. The hairline is actually, it's a really deep part. So this is definitely a nice throw on and go wig. But what I do need to do now is just take my fingers and make the hair a little bigger, okay? So let's get to it. So as I run my fingers through the hair, it's nice. It's super, what's the word? Soft. Like this hair is super soft. And what I love from Luvmehair is they use virgin hair donors. If you look on their website, it says virgin hair donor. Let me just turn around for you guys so you guys can see the back. Because some people are like, what does the back look like? This is what the back looks like. It's giving asymmetrical bob, but curly. I've never had a curly asymmetrical bob. So if you want it even bigger, you'd keep going, but this is the hair with no product. I normally like a little bit of a fuller. As I'm doing this, I am not experiencing any shedding, any tangling. So you guys, this is how the wig looks like with no product, straight out of the package. Literally just cut a bit of the lace off and fluffed it up with my hand. I do think that this is a go-to wig. I don't have any hair and I don't feel like this wig is slipping or sliding off my head. Like, I do feel nice and secure, yet it doesn't feel like it's gonna give me a headache, because sometimes when I strap my laces too tight, I do end up getting a headache by the end of the day. But this feels nice and snug and very comfy. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about the asymmetrical bob being curly, but I am kind of here for it. And I do think that it is so cute. I wanna know how it's gonna look when I am to put some water in it and define the curls. I think it's gonna be so pretty, but straight out of the package, this hair is giving. It's giving, let's just throw on our hair and look cute for the day and have nothing to worry about. Could you imagine dyeing it and putting like some highlights in it? I think that y'all need this wig. When I look at myself in the mirror to the side, it's just giving, and you don't have to add any additional layers. But if you do like a more, you know, pronounced hair, you could add more layers, but I am feeling it. Okay, so you guys, here is what it looks like tucked behind my ear. And as you guys know, I don't have any hair. So if you wanted to tuck it behind your hair, like your ears, to hide the sides, still a vibe. I actually think I like it a little bit more like this, but it's so cute. I don't know when the last time I had a bob, and let alone a curly bob, like, and y'all seen that I did nothing but fluffed it up, and I could keep fluffing it up because I really do like bigger, like the bigger the hair, the closer to perfection, I think, honestly, and I am here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, beginner friendly video on this closure wig from Luvmehair. It's their HD lace, like Meltiana. I still do have some lace here, like the lace that I cut, it stops right here. So as you guys can see, you cannot see it, and it's just giving bomb. So just imagine if I actually took the time to bleach the knots, pluck the hairline. Super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I like to keep the wigs beginner friendly sometimes, okay? And yes, I love it. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.